After Adam and Eve's transgression, divine justice was established to guide the righteous on the right way.
2 Esdras 7:22, the verse, "And after the transgression of Adam and Eve, justice was established, so that the righteous might keep the right way." The transgression represents the foundational human shift towards self-will, which necessitated the establishment of justice as a stabilizing frequency, a cosmic boundary that holds reality in divine order. This justice serves as a navigational tool, creating a distinct right way for those who choose to live in alignment with truth rather than chaos. Historically, this text provided a framework for those navigating suffering, offering the assurance that divine order remains intact, even when earthly circumstances appear disordered. Today, it serves as a reminder that we are not living in a vacuum of random consequences. We are operating within a system of spiritual laws designed to return us to our origin. To apply this to your daily life, view every experience of consequence not as a punishment, but as a calibration. When you encounter the results of your actions, use them to adjust your course. To live by this verse is to consciously choose accountability, acknowledging that the right way is a path of alignment that you must actively walk every single day. Daily decree. I accept that the lessons of the past are the foundations of my current clarity. I align my spirit with the divine order of justice, recognizing that every challenge is a guidepost. I choose the right way, walking in integrity and truth. My life is balanced, my path is clear, and I stand righteous in the frequency of the Creator. I decree that I am restored, aligned, and unwavering in my devotion to the truth. Frequency analysis. The frequency that best matches this verse is 528 Hz, often recognized as the transformation or miracle frequency. This frequency was chosen because 528 Hz is associated with the repair of the DNA and the restoration of natural order. Since 2 Esdras 7:22 speaks to the establishment of justice following a great human fall, a fundamental disruption in our nature, 528 Hz acts as the energetic remedy. It supports the return to the right way by clearing the frequency of discord and aligning the spirit with the original blueprint of the Creator. Just as justice restores order to a chaotic path, 528 Hz restores balance to the individual, facilitating the transformation required to keep the righteous path. The algorithm hides these gaps, but we are here to bridge them. The mainstream narrative is a managed container, but truth is found by returning to the original Ethiopian canon, unfiltered by conquest. If this resonates, like, share, and comment. That's how we break the noise. For the full audit, check the pinned comment for the Sion Frequency Hub. There you'll find the historical texts, my frequency research, and our Stewards Marketplace for community-curated, natural products. Join us, support the work, and let's grow this community. Stay in truth, and pray for wisdom and discernment.